So, as you can see, I am here in the Washi. I just dropped the mom, and right now, we are doing starting to do the rapido. Yesterday, I just cut my hair, which not look good, but still in the starting, it does not look good. But when it reaches to the peak, that looking good. So that's the case. And the second thing is that I have to make a money from the Rapido right now, and I am just watching my YouTube channel. I just created a new YouTube channel, and then yesterday I just see on the YouTube that if you have a one demonetized channel, then that demonetized channel can affect your another channel which you make. So the thing is that what I can do to do not get demonetized on my new channel when I apply. So that's the case. That's what I wanted to see, and let's see what I have to do. I think I have to change the SIM card or get a new SIM card so I can get that not demonetized from that new YouTube channel. So that's the case. What I have to see, what I have to do, and right now we are in the middle of the road, and here is the bus where I stop little bit, and hair are not looking good right now, but it will again came more and more. So right now what I have to do is to find a new find not create a new ideas from my mind, and that idea should be used in the YouTube. So that's the case. Let's see what I will do. I will update everything on this vlogging channel I am doing every day. So that's what I have to say. And right, so I came back from the Rapido, which I do in the morning, and then right in 1 hour and 10 minutes has been gone. I came here, then do the push-ups, remaining push-ups, 200 push-ups I have to do today. So that's have been done, means 250 total. In the morning I have done the 50 push-ups and 50 squats. So I came back, done the 200 push-ups. Right now do the dumbbells workout, and right now what I have to do is to just eat and do the YouTube work, which is new YouTube work. And I have to see how the YouTube policies have been going on, because there is a policy, new policies has been coming where the same channel cannot get monetized and fucking things. See this body, I am the best on this. It takes me over 4 years I am doing the work, but 1 year to get a restructured, means I just got a peak in the middle, because I feel like very insecure, because there is no body, no food in my body, no food, and nothing is like in body, and just the body has been not good means that's not muscles in the body. So that's what I see, and then I go for the bulk, and I have done bulk over 20 kgs. I have bulk, then 10 kgs I have removed, and then right now I am at the 67 kg. I go for the 76 77. Then I came right now at the 67, and right now I feel like completely fucking god, means normal person who can do whatever the fuck he can think. So that's the case, and that's what I am. So right now I go for the shower, and then after that when I came from the shower, I eat a food, do the 50 push-ups, 50 squats, and then little bit meditation. And then after that we will do the main work of making money from the YouTube. That's I have to get a script, write a script, because new script, new ideas is important YouTube will means any business will work only on the ideas, not on the stuff of the mind, which is lazy mind. So that's the without a mind, if you go without using a mind, if you go for anything, you are just doing the things. That's what I found out this year. So that's the case, and right now I just pause this vlog and go for the shower and continue to do the vlogging in the night. Let's go. So as you can see, I am here. The hair is fucked, but still I am looking as sexy as I am. And the thing is that I am making a short reel, but I just think that I didn't record the vlog which have to be record. So that's why I started the vlogging, and this is the end of the day. Where is the 8 p.m. is right now, means I sleep at the 11 p.m. but there is a thing that I have to do the work, means YouTube work has been remaining little bit, and I have to think that how can I escape the policies of the YouTube and then make the YouTube channel and make money from that. So that's what I have to do, and for that I am doing the reel and making the reel collection, so I can upload every day, every second day. So that's what I have to do. And right now I am officially telling you that this vlog has been ended. We will meet you tomorrow as soon as possible when I started the vlogging. Let's go.